We had the pleasure of meeting Mark and Sophie of VanLife Eats at the VanLife Festival, where they gave a great talk on different ways to cook quality and varied meals in the confines of a van. The community they have created behind VanLifeEats.com is a great resource of recipes, tips, hacks, reviews and equipment, and we came away excited to try some of them out, which you'll get to see later. Recipes not only come from Mark and Sophie, but from other VanLife contributors, and the tags like less than 5 ingredients, stovetop and fridge free all help to find a recipe that suit your needs. Mark and Sophie are also running the VanLife Eats Big Picnic from the 26th to the 29th of August in Basingstoke, which will be 3 days and nights of feasting with fellow VanLifers, music, trade stalls, workshops and demonstrations, with fun for all the family. Before we try out some recipes, a quick thank you to CarLock for supporting with this video. Their GPS trackers give us great peace of mind, not just from our van being stolen, but with notifications if vibration is detected. It's a great theft or damage alert too. Using the links in the video notes will not only get you 10% off the purchase price, you also can get extra days free subscription if you use our code when activating the tracker. The first recipe we're going to try is not from the website, but was shared by Mark and Sophie on their Facebook page. A simple and easy festival breakfast of crumpets, and we also tried English muffins, dipped in egg with bacon and cheese, all cooked simply in a Ridge Monkey style pan. Once the bacon is cooked, we cook one side of the egg coated crumpet. And here's the English muffin we experimented with. Then it's just a case of flipping them, stacking the contents before sealing it all up and cooking on both sides. Simple, easy, quick and delicious. For lunch, we fancied trying out the halloumi stack recipe from the website. As these only require a short amount of cooking time, even though we were off-grid, we decided to use the Vango Sizzle induction hob. We'll be releasing a more detailed video on how we have found using the induction hob off-grid soon, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Starting with the mushrooms, of which only I am a fan, we then added the red onion. Once caramelised, we added the halloumi. And then finally the beef tomato. We'd chosen brioche bagels, which we loaded up and topped with the mayo and sweet chilli sauce. Looking almost as good as they tasted, these went down really well with a chilled glass of wine, and before long we were making more. Curries are a bit of a staple for us in the van, but we often forget the naan bread, so seeing a simple recipe for this on the website, we tried it out. With just 2 ingredients mixed and kneaded together, then left to rest. We made use of a chilled can of G&T as a rolling pin, and then popped them into a dry pan where the transformation began. Topped up with melted butter, minced garlic and chopped coriander gave us one of the best naans we've ever had. We've only scratched the surface of the many recipes on the website, so if you're looking for van life recipe inspiration, check out VanLifeEats.com. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.